வணக்கம். 9th Standard Science English Medium, Unit 13 Chemical Bonding, Textbook Exercises. Choose the correct answer. Number of valence electrons in carbon is, answer option B, 4. Sodium having atomic number 11 is ready to dash electron or electrons to attain the nearest noble gas electronic configuration. Answer option C, lose 1. Third one, the element that would form anion by gaining electrons in a chemical reaction is, answer option C, fluorine. Bond formed between a metal and non-metal atom is usually dash. Answer option A, ionic bond. Dash compounds have high melting and boiling points. Answer option C, ionic. Covalent bond is formed by dash. Answer option B, sharing of electrons. Oxidizing agents are also called as dash because they remove electrons from other substances. Answer option B, electron acceptors. Elements with stable electronic configurations have 8 electrons in their valence shell. They are dash. Answer option C, noble gases. Answer briefly. Question number 1. How do atoms attain noble gas electronic configuration? Answer. Atoms can combine either by transfer of valence electrons from one atom to another or by sharing of valence electrons in order to achieve the stable outer shell of 8 electrons. Question number 2. NaCl, that is sodium chloride, is insoluble in carbon tetrachloride but soluble in water. Give reason. Answer. Carbon tetrachloride is a covalent compound, but NaCl is a ionic compound. Water is a polar solvent, so NaCl is soluble in water. CCl4, that is carbon tetrachloride, is soluble in non-polar solvent. Third question. Explain octet rule with an example. The octet rule is a chemical rule of thumb that reflects observation that atoms of main group elements tend to combine in such a way that each atom has 8 electrons in its valence shell, giving it the same electronic configuration as a noble gas. Fourth one, write a note on different types of bonds. Ionic bond, covalent bonds, coordinate covalent bond. Fifth one, correct the wrong statements. A. Question number A. Ionic compounds dissolve in non-polar solvents. Question number B. Covalent compounds conduct electricity in molten or solution state. Answer. Ionic compounds dissolve in polar solvents. Covalent compounds do not conduct electricity in molten or solution state. Sixth question. Complete the table given below. Element, atomic number, electron distribution, valence electrons, Lewis dot structure. Answer. Element lithium, atomic number 3, electron distribution 2, 1, valence electrons 1. Lewis dot structure Li dot போட்டுட்டு Li போடணும். அடுத்து boron atomic number 5, electron distribution 2,3, valence electrons 3. Lewis dot structure ஆன்சரில் கொடுத்துருக்க மாதிரி பி சுற்றி பீனா போரான், பி சுற்றி 3 டாட் வைக்கணும். அடுத்தது next one, element oxygen atomic number 8, electron distribution 2,6, valence electrons 6. Lewis dot structure oxygen க்கு O போட்டுட்டு பிக்சரில் உள்ள மாதிரி டாட் வச்சு காமிக்கணும். ரெண்டா வச்சு லெஃப்ட் சைடு ரைட் சைடு டாப் மோஸ்டில் டாட் வச்சு மொத்தம் 6 டாட்ஸ் வச்சு காமிக்கணும். Next, draw the electron distribution diagram for the formation of carbon dioxide CO2 molecule. Eighth question, fill in the following table according to the type of bonds formed in the given below. CaCl2 H2O CaO CO KBr HCl CCl4 HF CO2 Al2 Cl6. Answer, ionic bond CaCl2 CaO KBr HCl, covalent bond H2O CCl4 HF CO2 Al2 C6, coordinate covalent bond CO. Choose the correct answer from the choices given below. Ninth question, the property which is characteristics of an ionic compound is that it often exists as gas at room temperature, it is hard and brittle, it undergoes molecular reactions, it has low melting point. Answer, option B, it is hard and brittle. 10th question, identify the following reactions as oxidation or reduction. A, Na, sodium gives Na++ E electron. B, Fe3 plus 2 electron gives Fe plus. Answer, A, oxidation reactions. Na gives Na++ E minus the oxidation reactions. B, Fe3 plus 2E minus gives Fe plus the reduction reactions. Then 11th question, identify the compounds as ionic or covalent or coordinate based on the given characteristics. A, soluble in non-polar solvents, is covalent bond, undergoes faster instantaneous reactions, ionic bond. Non-conductors of electricity, covalent bond. Solids at room temperature, coordinate covalent bond. Then 12th question, an atom X with atomic number 20 combines with atom Y with atomic number 8. Draw the dot structure for the formation of the molecule XY. படத்தில் உள்ள மாதிரி நம்ம வந்து வரைச்சி காமிக்கணும். Then 13th question, considering MgCl2 as ionic compound and CH4 as covalent compound, give any two differences between these two compounds. Ionic bond, covalent bond, ionic bond. Transfer of electron, covalent bond, sharing of electron. Ionic bond, it is solid at room temperature. Covalent bond, it is gas, liquid and softness at room temperature. Then 14th question, why are noble gases inert in nature? Answer, all noble gases have incomplete valence shell and tends to stable electronic configuration. So, noble gas inert in nature. Answer in detail. Question number 1. List down the differences between ionic and covalent compounds. Ionic compounds formed by the transfer of electrons from a metal to a non-metal atom. Covalent compounds formed by sharing of electrons between non-metal atoms. Strong electrostatic force of attraction between cations and anions in ionic compounds. Covalent compounds, mutual sharing of electrons and so weak force of attraction between atoms. Ionic compounds, solid at room temperature. Covalent compounds, gases, liquids and soft solids. Ionic compounds conduct electricity in molten state or in solutions. Covalent compounds, non-conductors of electricity. Ionic compounds have high melting and boiling points. Covalent compounds have low melting and boiling points. Ionic compound soluble in polar solvents. Covalent compounds soluble in non-polar solvents. Ionic compounds hard and brittle. Covalent compounds soft and waxy. Ionic compounds undergo ionic reaction which are fast and instantaneous. Covalent compounds undergo molecular reactions which are low. Second question. Give an example for each of the following statements. A compound in which two covalent compounds are formed. B. A compound in which one ionic bond is formed. C. A compound in which two covalent and one coordinate bonds are formed. D. A compound in which three covalent bonds are formed. E. A compound in which coordinate bond is formed. A compound in which two covalent bonds are formed. O2, O double bond O. A compound in which one ionic bond is formed. HCl. C. A compound in which two covalent and one coordinate bonds are formed. CO. D. A compound in which three covalent bonds are formed. N triple bond N. E. A compound in which coordinate bond is formed. NH4. Third question. Identify the incorrect statement and correct them. A. Like covalent compounds, coordinate compounds also contain charged particles, that is ions, so they are good conductors of electricity. Answer. Like covalent compounds, coordinate compounds also contain charged particles, that is ions, so they are bad conductors of electricity. B. Ionic bond is a weak bond when compared to hydrogen bond. Answer. Ionic bond is a strong bond when compared to hydrogen bond. C. Ionic or electrovalent bonds are formed by mutual sharing of electrons between atoms. Answer. Ionic or electrovalent bonds are formed by mutual transfer of electrons between atoms. D. Loss of electrons is called oxidation and gain of electrons is called reduction. Answer. Loss of electrons is called oxidation and gain of electrons is called reduction. This is the correct statement. Then E. The electrons which are not involved in bonding are called valence electrons. Answer. The electrons which are not involved in bonding are called lone pair electrons. Question number 4. Discuss in brief about the properties of coordinate covalent compounds. Answer. Characteristics of coordinate covalent compounds. The compounds containing coordinate covalent bonds are called coordinate compounds. Physical state. These compounds exist as gases, liquids or solids. B. electrical conductivity. Like covalent compounds also do not contain charged particles, that is ion, so they are bad conductors of electricity. Melting point. These compounds have melting and boiling points higher than those of purely covalent compounds but lower than those of purely ionic compounds. Solubility. Insoluble in polar solvents like water but are soluble in non-polar solvents like benzene, CCl4 and toluene. Reactions. Coordinate covalent compounds undergo molecular reactions which are slow. Fifth question. Find the oxidation number of the elements in the following compounds. A. C in CO2. Answer. X plus 2 bracket minus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Therefore, C is equal to plus 4. B. Mn in Mn is for 4. X plus 1 into 6 plus 4 into minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 6 minus 8 is equal to 0. X plus 6 minus 8 is equal to 0. If we simplify, we get x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2. X minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. Therefore, Mn is equal to plus 2. Then C. N in HNO3. 1 into 1 plus x plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Therefore, N is equal to plus 5. Thank you.